Here's my grandson's graduation cake. And here's the funny one. Oh crap, he graduated. There's a couple of his friends out there. There's his Uncle Parody guy. There is Little Wolf. And out there is his Uncle Michael. That's our Shawnee family. And there's Dustin going in the shed for something. I'll have to go get him. There's his brothers. There's Alex. There's Landon. And there's Dustin. Well, if he's going to fall over. Dustin is actually Small Wolf. That's Little Wolf, his dad. And there's his Uncle Michael. And I don't... Whoo, look at this. Whoa, I'm going to run right into it. Okay, Uncle Michael. I have to get you in the video, too. It's not time to work, y'all. Time to have fun. Whew. Okay. Woo.
You scared?
There, over there in the white t-shirt, that is Wendy, one of our other tribal members. I don't know where Tracy went. And there's a DJ and all the people. Everybody walking around. So that's what we're having today. We're having a graduation open house. Y'all have a good day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And bye for now. Say bye, Tabitha.